Welcome back, everybody. Yes, we are going on the maiden voyage of the Disney Treasure. We leave in a couple of days. And I have so much to get done. I'm so tired because I stayed up all night braiding my hair, and now I have to pack for everybody. Well, me and the kids, I have to pack for. So, let's go get some coffee. Let's kind of wake up and let's start packing. Anybody else wait to the last second to pack? That is me every single time. No matter how much I try to, stay organized and say that I'm gonna pack well ahead of time, it never works out. Ever. Ever. Maybe one day it will, but today is not. So let's pack. Packing Nala's clothes. I got a bunch of summer clothes here, and I'm pretty much swimming in a sea of clothes over here. Like, I got clothes everywhere. I got clothes on the bed. I have clothes all over the place. And so, I'm gonna be packing her clothes first because it always takes me the longest to pack her stuff. All right. So the ports we're going to be going to is Tortola, St. Thomas, and Castaway Cay. I already checked the temperature, and it's going to be 80 degrees. And the reason why I say that, because this is a Christmas cruise, and I wanted to make sure that I'm packing the appropriate clothes, which I am. Summer attire. I also have to pack some pants because it's cold here, and we're going to be traveling to Florida via vehicle, and so we need some pants. So we packing that too. Let's start putting them in suitcases, or in a suitcase, because she ain't got but one suitcase and a bag. Hopefully, because she got a lot of clothes here, and I'm hoping all of this stuff fit in the one suitcase, and I don't have to put none in my suitcase. That's the plan. Some of the outfits that Nala will be wearing. How cute is this Belle outfit? This is like her first princess dress. We got it the last cruise we went on a Disney Fantasy. We got it when we went to Disney Springs. And then this is Cinderella. So cute. She's gonna wear those to dinner. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna pack this. I'm gonna have to figure out, because it ain't gonna fit in that little suitcase. So we're gonna have to figure that out. But how cute is this? She didn't need it, but it was cute, so I had to get it. It has little mini gold, foil on it. So pretty. And I think I got this from Target, I think. How cute is this, guys? Mrs. Claus. I got this from Walmart. I was so shocked when I seen it. They have this and like a little elf dress. So cute. And we are all going to be coordinating with her. And then the day of embarkation, she is going to wear this. How cute is this little outfit? Well, it depends on the weather. So if it's hot, if it's burning up in Florida, then she won't wear it. She'll wear something else. She didn't try on any of these outfits, by the way. And then her crown. Why are you down there? Like, why are you down there? I'm right here. Hey. And then got her crown for her dresses. And on formal night, which is day 2, we're gonna take family photos. And normally what I do is I buy Nala's outfit and then everybody else has to match hers. And so I have this cute dress. Oh my gosh, I just had to get it. I got this from Children's Place. I ordered it on the app and they delivered it to the house. So I have matching shirts for the boys. Both boys are going to be wearing this same shirt. I need to have them try it on just to make sure it fits. I'm pretty sure it does, but I just want to have them try it on just in case. And the boys also have these pants to go with it. It was all a set. It was a family outfit set. And it's like corduroy. But yeah, it's like black corduroy material. And headband matches the dress. So cute. And I hope she keeps this on because she doesn't like anything on her head. And I have to fight her to keep her hair bows on. Yeah, and so I have a dress that I'm gonna wear. I think this is it. So I ordered this from Amazon. And so this is the dress right here. And I also ordered a red one. I have not tried it on yet, so I do not know how it fit. And I'm hoping that it fits because it's a little too late to try to find another one. Being that what's today? Today is Tuesday. We leave Thursday. And this is my dress. Oh, here's the red dress. So the black one I showed you, this is the red one. This is the red one. And this is what I'm gonna wear semi-formal night. When she wears this outfit, I have this. Let me see. I gotta make sure the reds match. Okay. That's good enough. This is my first time opening this stuff. I am so behind. So I got this dress from Amazon as well. It was definitely really, really, really cute on the model. But this is what it looks like in person. And it comes down to the knees. Comes down to the knees. Oh, shoot. Now that I'm looking at it, it's coming down past the knees. Oh, my gosh. I'm going to have to try this on. I hope this is cute. I'm going to have to try it on. I don't know if I want to try it on right now. I'll probably try it on later. And what else? I think that's it. I hope I'm not missing nothing. But yeah, that's it. So I'm going to try to stuff the rest of the stuff in this little suitcase. And then I'm going to pack the go bag. go bag. So we have two options. The first one is Mickey Mouse, and then the second one is Winnie the Pooh. How cute, right? I know. And so what I do, we're gonna be leaving Thursday, and then we staying in a hotel Friday, and then we sell off on Saturday. And so what I like to do, instead of taking the suitcases out of the car and into the hotel, I like to just have everybody's items that they're gonna need to carry us through our travel days. I keep it in their own personal go bag, so everybody has their own stuff. So what I like to do is pack whatever clothes that they're gonna be wearing, their pajamas that they're gonna be wearing, shoes, hygiene products, everything that they need. My boys, they like to take their electronics with them, and so they have their iPad, they got their Nintendo Switch. Everything goes in the go bag. That way they're not carrying stuff, because it used to be chaotic. Oh my gosh, trying to push all the luggage and have it on a trolley. And the kids have their blankets in their hand, iPads in their hand, and it was just so chaotic all the time. And I've learned over the years that it's just easier to just pack a go bag. And and it's so much easier. It's so much easier, because now everybody is responsible for their own stuff. And just like that, we are done. We are done, and it just makes life so convenient. You just carry your own little bag and keep it moving. We're in Nathaniel's room. I know, not as cool as Nala's, but we have his suitcase right here. So let's pack his clothes. It won't take long at all to pack up the boys' clothes, because they are so much easier than Nala. So this will be fast. Nathaniel is all done. Now we are in Jace's room, so let's pack his clothes. So the kids' suitcases and go bags are packed, and I know you're probably wondering where I got this beautiful bag from. And this and Winnie the Pooh I got from Five and Below. We're almost done. So I'm sitting in my closet and I'm debating, should I bring some outfits for specialty dining? Even though we don't have any specialty dining book, we're hoping when we get on the ship, we will have we will have the opportunity to reserve a spot for either Enchante, Palo Steakhouse, or we're gonna try to do all three. So Palo Steakhouse dinner, Enchante dinner, and Palo Steakhouse brunch, like we've normally done in the past. But we'll see. We'll see. When it comes to a maiden voyage, boy, they will book up stuff quick. I'm on a Facebook group, and so everybody, Concierge and Pearl, booked everything up. So by the time Platinum got the opportunity to start booking, they were on the Facebook group pretty much complaining, saying that everything was sold out already. So just keep that in mind if you are thinking about doing a maiden voyage cruise. All right, so let's grab the suitcases and let's start packing my clothes. If you hear the kids, they're loud. Everybody's home now. Done. I am finally done packing. Thank you guys so much for those that stuck to the very end. We love you mwah, 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 so much. If you want to be a part of the family, please subscribe. If you like the video, let me know by hitting the like button and make sure you comment. Everybody's home, by the way, so you're gonna hear everybody yelling and screaming and be out loud. But that's what happens when you are a part of the family. No! Well, she's not in here. She's probably in the boys' room. But next time you see us, we will be traveling to Florida. And you will see us for the maiden voyage on the Disney Treasure. I don't know if you can hear them talking. Oh my gosh, that is so funny. We love you guys. Bye.